last day in Japan, and I couldn't leave without going to the Cup Noodles Museum because that was on my bucket list of things to do in Japan. I get lost quite a lot, so I'm just doing this little intro. Then I'm going to pay attention to my phone so that I can find my way properly without being lost. This says like I'm 4 minutes away though. So Japan was lovely, really lovely. I'm not really a cup soup fan anymore, but I know some persons who love it, and when I told them that I was going to, they were excited to see, so I couldn't leave without doing it. I have a whole 24 hours left in Japan, so yeah, I'm gonna make use of it by going to the Cup Noodles Museum. Then I'm going to head back to Tokyo, so catch you when I get to the museum. The area looks pretty good though, I'm not going to lie. It looks nice and clean. Yeah. This is actually the building, but the entrance is on the other side. I think the buildings in this place kind of give Brit vibes. Yeah. I think that's an apartment complex because I see clothes up there. And yep. Oh yes, many people are here. As per usual, as for everything in this place, many people. So I'm gonna get my ticket and stuff. Can you see? Here you admire the different flavors of cup noodles while you wait in line to get to the machine where you purchase your cup noodles container. Here I'm just waiting my turn because so many people were there and you have to wait in the line. Then you get over to the other side to design your cup noodles package. Some simple instructions will be given by the representatives in terms of, how long you should sit at the table to design your package, because there are so many people. The ramen factory is also here, but you need to go. I wasn't there on time to visit that one, but next time I'll definitely go. But yeah, you'll just get some rules here. Now I'll be purchasing my cup noodles container. It is 500 yen per container, and one person is allowed 3 cups. I'm getting 2 cups, so that is 1000 yen. You just insert your money in this machine and then your cup falls out. Then you're going to be sent on the other side to design your cup noodles container. I'm keeping my containers simple, just writing Romalee, Japan 2023, so I can keep that forever. And also writing the names of my family members, and my friends who I know that really loves cup soup and wanted their name to go on the container. So that's just all I'm doing for this, keeping it simple so that I can go back in the line to get my cup noodles filled up, sealed, and ready to go. Next, you will be given these cute little bags and the strings in case you want to put your noodles inside after everything has been sealed, so you can carry that around your neck, etc. But of course, if you're going to be taking a plane, then you should just leave it, because you cannot take this on the airplane, right? Okay guys, this is me with my cup soup around my neck. Yeah, my 2 cup soup, my cup soup candles. I think that was so cool. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. That was such a cool experience. And I have a cup soup souvenir, cup soup candle. Until next video.